Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Ever heard about Architects? I hadn't before, but now I came across this song called Everything Ends from them, so I like the power and the intensity in the song, so let's go into this one. And yeah, let's take a look at the 4 easy chords we're gonna learn. So yeah, no need for any capo here, you can see that, and then we're gonna learn E minor, C, A minor, and D. Let's start with E minor first. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We got the A minor, and A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, open E, and then finally we got the D. And D will be open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so we have a strumming pattern, and yeah, I'm gonna take in consideration the strumming here, but also the beat when it comes to this song. So therefore, I made this strumming pattern that I think fits very well for this song if you're just one guitarist like I am and want to cover this full song. Obviously, we don't have the drums and all the members in this band, but anyway, let's take a look at the strumming. And it's 2-part strumming, so we're gonna look at the transition between the E minor to C. That's the first 2 chords. So E minor first, that part goes. Okay, so 2 downs and a clap, very easy. So down, down, clap. Then you shift to C in this case and play part 2. That will be like this. So that is 3 downs, a clap, and 1 down. So 1, 2, 3, clap, 1. So together it goes down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Okay, so there you have 1 full strumming round. Now let's go into this actual song, and the verse play and the pre-chorus is played in the same way. So we have the first half of this chord progression will be to play E minor part 1, then C part 2, and then A minor 1 full round. That means both part 1 and part 2. So the first half goes like this. Okay, and the second half will be E minor part 1, C part 2, D part 1, and A minor part 2. All right. So that is 1 chord progression. I thought I'm gonna play 1 full round of this chord progression for you, so let's go. All right. So there you have it. That's the verse, pre-chorus play. Let's go into the chorus play that starts about 47 seconds in. What you're going to do now is to play E minor part 1, C part 2, A minor 1 full round. Then E minor part 1, C part 2, D part 1, and A minor part 2. So far it's the same. Then you're going to play E minor part 1, C part 2, A minor 1 full round. And then the ending here, that's where the change comes. We're going to play C 1 full round plus part 1, and then D part 2. Okay, so that's 1 big chord progression, but that is how it goes for the chorus play. I'm going to take you through this and just mention the chords. It goes like this. E minor, C, A minor, E minor, C, D, A minor, E minor, C, A minor, and C, D. Alright, so that is the chorus play. And now we have that, and then you're going to go back and forth between the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. And then after the second chorus, about 2 minutes and 33 seconds into the song, you're going to come to the bridge parts. What you're going to do here now is to play C 1 full round, D 1 full round, E minor 1 full round, and back to D 1 full round. That's the first half. Then you go C1, D1, and A minor 2 full rounds. That's it. So I'm going to take you through that as well. So let's go for the full rounds, except from the last A minor, which is 2 full rounds. It goes like this. Alright, and after you play that bridge part, you're gonna go into the chorus play and play that for 2 full rounds. Sorry, actually 3 rounds. And that will be the end for Everything Ends Architects. So hope you enjoyed it, guys. If this was the first time for you with this song here, then yeah, congratulations. I think this is a great band, and I am happy I found them as well. So if you want to see them here, make sure you subscribe to this channel. They will be back for sure. Thank you so much, and play tuned.